Hey everybody, X Joey1X, and do you have storage problems? What? Do you have stuff in your rafters, on the pegboards, on the floor? Just like you don't know what to do, and you go on the internet, and it's always these long drawn out projects with a saw and a coping saw and 17-inch nails. Do you have this laying around? Typical shelving? I am so sorry that I did that. Do you have this laying around? A Closet Mate Super Slide? 8 feet? Is it made in the USA? Well, do you have a gas pipe that is acting like a shelf? Do you have an I-beam that the product is going from A to B, and you could just store that, and I could store that? And do you have random metal laying on the I-beam and stuff that your kids, then you don't stuff? Do you have this stuff? Yeah, but do you have a metal pipe? Well, I don't know. Are you gonna put a metal pipe? No. What we're gonna do is take this, and we're going to go from point A to point B. And there's a camera in the way, which is fine. We first marked out 2 little spots right here with a Sharpie. And I'm thinking to myself, how do you connect this in a way where it doesn't have to be like it's going to fall? Because if I put stuff on here, you don't want it to fall on your products. Leave that right there. So I have some stuff laying around. This might be a good spot for the middle, just to hold the tension, and then I could put a screw here. You know, you could put a screw or a nail, and it could hold the tension. Then maybe I could screw these, and they could hold it. Could really put these in, and it'll hang a little bit. It might be wobbly, but then when you want to remove it, you know, you could turn it. So let's drill some holes and see what we come up with. So I started it. I drilled it first, and I started it. And I have this. I have this set, and I have this. Oh, a wing nut doohickey wicky wacky. Does that work? We're gonna see. So we're gonna do this without a tripod. We're gonna just wing it. Ready? Wow. Let's see if this works. Use your drill. Yeah, looks like it worked. Again, kind of rudimentary. It's not gonna fail. It's kind of up there. I could bring up the screw. You're gonna lose. You're not gaining this, you know. It's a basement. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beams. Like I told you, I could take this, mark it with a Sharpie, go from up top, and I could bring it up, and I could relieve the pressure, you know. And then this is stuck. So you would have to turn this to drop it. But I wouldn't want this to happen. Boing, oing, 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 oing. And there you go. You're only as good as you fitting something on this way because of the cross members. But it's okay. And that's that. Nothing more. Whether I put these in or not doesn't stop you from installing it. So again, that's a simple hack. I don't know how expensive something like this is. This is definitely 8 years old, because I used these for the shelving in certain places of the house. Pretty straight, pretty good, and I'm happy. Hit like, hit subscribe, and you have any other needs for this, enjoy this video.